Good evening, Tshepo.
Evening, ma'am.
I only have one question for you. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for the question. I believe that diamonds not only represent a powerful gemstone, they don't only represent a Botswana main exporter. I believe that diamonds are what have shaped Botswana in today in terms of its values, in terms of its economy, and in terms of its pride. Therefore, I believe Botswana diamonds, they represent national identity and national pride. I believe that Botswana diamonds also represent us as people, more especially women. I believe that women are Botswana's diamonds, and I believe that each and every woman out there is capable to achieve their dreams and is capable to take up leadership position. Therefore, because I believe that I am a diamond, I want other women to also believe that they're diamonds too. Therefore, I will use the platform of Miss Universe Botswana to inspire young girls out there to pursue their dreams and to also inspire others that they are Botswana's diamonds. Thank you.